welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna be making an avocado ice cream. This ice cream is really easy to make because you won't be needing any heavy cream or any sweetened condensed milk. So let's see what ingredients we need to make this ice cream. We'll be needing 1 cup of cold milk, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey. You can substitute the honey with another tablespoon of sugar, then 2 tablespoons of milk powder and 3/4 cup of mashed avocados. Put all these ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. Next, pour the blended mixture into a freezer-safe container and freeze the mixture for about 2 hours. After freezing for 2 hours, blend the mixture again for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then pour the mixture back into the freezer-safe container and freeze the mixture for about 4 to 5 hours. After freezing for a couple of hours, take out the ice cream from the freezer and let it sit outside for about 2 to 3 minutes before serving. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel right here and click down here for my chocolate ice cream recipe.